In a world where quality and safety are paramount, the Bureau of Indian Standards plays a vital role. Through periodic training programs, BIS is empowering district-level officers across Uttar Pradesh to promote the use of certified products in government offices. The BIS Ghaziabad team is delighted to embark on and organize such awareness programs. Today, they find themselves in Amroha at Vikas Bhavan, with the mission to ensure that this awareness program not only succeeds, but also leaves a lasting impact. Once the preparations are complete, participants are warmly welcomed and the registration process commences. The BIS Ghaziabad team furnishes them with training materials that will be invaluable throughout the session. Today, we're privileged to have BIS GZPO officers and mentors leading our training session. This training session educates officers on the importance of BIS certification and its role in ensuring quality, safety and reliability of products. Officers learn about the benefits of specifying BIS certified items in procurement tenders. BIS provides clarity by briefing on the availability of certified products department-wise. They also introduce the powerful BIS Care app, giving officers a digital tool to access certification information on the go. But training is just the first step. To drive real change, BIS seeks active support from district authorities through key measures, referring to Indian standards in tenders and requests for proposals, monitoring and facilitating implementation of government quality control orders, extending support in search and seizure operations against non-compliant products, encouraging local manufacturers to obtain vital BIS certifications, providing feedback to update or create new Indian standards where needed, regularly conducting capacity building programs for all stakeholders. These robust efforts are being carried out under the guidance of district magistrates across major districts like Ghaziabad, Meerut, Bagpat, East Delhi, Hapur, Amroha, Sambhal, Moradabad and Rampur. From construction materials to consumer goods, BIS certification ensures we can trust in the safety and reliability of the Indian market. We seize the opportunity to gather feedback from the participants.
लेकिन आज हमें जानकारी हुई है कि वास्तव में ISI है क्या, और इस सब से हम आसपास के लोगों को भी जागरूक कर सकेंगे, अपने घर के बाकी लोगों को भी बता सकेंगे, अपने स्टाफ के बाकी लोगों को भी बता सकेंगे।
ज्वेलरी प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में काफ़ी विस्तार से चर्चा की गई कि हॉलमार्क की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है और किस तरीके से उसको चेक करना चाहिए।
एक दिवसीय कार्यशाला बहुत ही जानकारीपूर्ण, उत्साहवर्धक और उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए भारत को
and also to hear from the officials regarding their thoughts on the entire training session.
और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि आप सभी लोगों की तरफ से एक अच्छा प्रयास शुरू किया गया है।
एक स्टैंडर्डाइज इकोसिस्टम बनाने में जो आपका प्रयास है वो अत्यंत ही सराहनीय है, और हम लोग प्रयास करेंगे कि ग्राम पंचायत स्तर पर एक एक व्यक्ति को जागरूक कर पाए।
In the records of governance, where every decision echoes through corridors of power, BIS Ghaziabad stands as a testament to excellence.
Such kind of meeting with various government departments are providing opportunities to discuss various issues.
Join this journey of quality assurance as BIS partners with district authorities to build an ecosystem of excellence.